So guys, I didn't tell you, I meant to tell you guys though, but I didn't tell you guys that I was super afraid that I was going to have a water issue concerning a water leak or a pipe bursting. And so that's what you saw, the hoses of, plugged in to a water source at my house to see if I had a water leak, because I didn't want to leave, get on the road, and then some mishap happens. And it made me think about it when Bromatic RV Adventures went on to took his aunt and mother and niece out on a trip, and he had a water issue. So I wasn't even really thinking that, because I live so far down south, that I was going to have a cold weather freeze. And really didn't think that, okay, well, you probably need to winterize. We had 2 hard freezes from the time period that I had left home to go farther down south into Florida. And when I got back, I can't lie, for the last couple of weeks I've been on the edge. And so I know that I have a trip coming up in a couple of days, and I was just so timid to even check. And I was like, you know what, it's better for me to check here, because I can always cancel the trip rather than getting down there and something happens. I'd rather have an RV repair person come out and fix whatever I need to get fixed here while I'm at home base, versus me being somewhere in no man's land or some other state, and I need to contact somebody to come in and do repairs and stuff. So I filled up the tanks. I'm just waiting to see if there's going to be any damages or any leaks or whatever, and then I'm going to give it a couple hours and just let it sit there and see what happens. Right now they're basically all, I'm pretty sure, filled, the front tank and the back tank, the kitchen tank, I'm sorry, and fresh water and city water hooked up. So yeah, because regardless, I'm gonna have to drain those tanks before I leave from here. So I guess I'll be watering my grass early this year in the back. But yeah, stay tuned to find out what happens. I'm still kind of a little bit slurred because today was the second half of my cleaning. And when I say this time, she made sure I didn't feel a thing. When I say I was numb to the point of I couldn't even hardly breathe out of this left nostril. I was completely numb when I got done. I was shaking. I couldn't. I don't know if I was shaking from anxiety or shaking from the numbing shot. Anyway, y'all, I know God is not going to leave me or forsake me in this time of my adventures, and I am not one of those ones, and I know it's you're supposed to lay everything in His hands, but I'm not one of those ones to just aggravate God because I can. I pray for things that I need. I don't pray for things that I want, because I feel that those are wasted prayers, and it's selfish. But I do make sure that I just know that I'm not going to be left forsaken because of the investments that I put into this. And He knows my heart. He knows how hard I've worked to get to this point. That's just my little tidbit today. But anyway, you guys stay tuned, and let's sit back and let's see what happens. And hopefully I'll still be able to pull out next couple of days and without any issues. So thank you guys in advance for watching this video. And next year, everyone that's listening to this video, do not forget to winterize your RV. Do not, just like you take care of your car maintenance, your motorcycles, all that. Do not forget to winterize. And that's just piss poor on my part, because I keep my vehicles in tip-top shape. I used to keep my motorcycle in tip-top shape. I don't know why, for the life of me, my RV was not on the forefront of my mind to get in here and winterize. As many as the videos I've seen on YouTube, Fuzzy Dog Productions, he winterized his vehicle. It's so many of you guys out there, but you know, just to point it out, you know, we seem to get these little tidbits of information that's out there. We gotta stop doing that, because it's gonna cost us money in the long run. To learn from others' mistakes. Bromatic, I'm so sorry that happened to you. You know, hopefully you got it fixed by now, and we've all learned a valuable lesson to not take for granted that these toys are expensive, and we need to take care of them to the best of our ability. And I am, even though I don't see any leaks right now, y'all, I'm terrified. I am terrified. Why? Because I got plans for my money. Yeah, I got things to do. Yeah, I got things to do. People see things to buy. New pair of heels, a new pair of Crocs. But yeah, that was crazy on my part not to do such a thing. But you guys stay wallowing in self-pity in my Grinch mode. That's what I do. But I promise it won't be for long, because I'm the type of person like this. I don't wallow in self-pity for a long time. Ooh, 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 look at the muscles. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, what? That gym working. Anyway. I just noticed it. Anyway. Oh, some of it's fat though. Some of it's fat. See? Hold on. Some of it's fat. But anyway, that made me laugh. Hope it made you guys laugh too. But stay tuned to see what happens. Let's see. So far, so good. No water back there. No water in here. The stuff is against here because I'm getting ready to push the slide in and get ready to roll out. So, yeah. So far, so good. Heavenly Father, thank you so graciously in advance that there is no issues right now. Anyway, so far, so good. Just keep our fingers crossed. So when we get out there on the trail, that nothing goes crazy or go haywire with anything that's on this RV. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos.